Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome for today's lecture. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the cascade connection of two-port networks. So, to represent the cascade connection of two-port networks, ABCD parameters or transmission parameters are used. So, we derived the expression or we derived the conclusion that the transmission matrix of a cascade connection of a two-port network is equal to product of transmission matrices of individual networks which are connected in cascade. So that derivation covered in the last lecture, and that question is very important with respect to university exam question. So it that question was asked number of times for 4 marks. Now after that I have given one example as a homework. The two networks shown in figure are connected in series. So we have to obtain the Z parameters of the combination. So two given networks are there. Carefully observe. This type of network is called as what? T network. It is looking like capital T. Okay, means these two are called as series arm. This as arm is called as parallel किंवा shunt arm म्हणतो आपण. So this is looking like a T network. So which we are going to study today. What is the T representation or T network? Here also second network, that is also T network. So there will be the direct method to find out Z parameters of a T network. Z parameters तुम्हाला directly find out करतात जर T network दिले असतील तर. Okay, so we'll start to solve this example. So first of all, I will take network X. Okay, so for network X, the Z parameters are given by Z parameters are given by Z parameters are given by. Okay, so I will redraw the circuit once again. So this is about what? Network X. So here it is 1 ohm, and this will be 2 ohm. So this is about network X. So you can call it as now ZA, this is ZB, and this is ZC. This is called as T network. This is called as what? T network. So here instead of finding by conventional method, so conventional method is what? V1, I1, V2, I2, writing the equations, then put the condition I2 equal to 0, I1 equal to 0, then find out Z parameters. So as this question asks for 4 marks, there is no need to find out by conventional method. As the given network is directly given in the T network, you can directly find out the Z parameters of this given network. So how to find out that one? So as given network is T network, the Z parameters are given by, आता काय असणार आहे? Z11X, as it is related to network X. Z11X is equal to ZA plus ZC, means addition of these two. असे example आपण already solve केले. Already we have solved such type of example. So ZA plus ZC, that is Z11X. Z12X is equal to only this one, that is ZC. Z21X is equal to again ZC, and Z22X is equal to addition of these two, that is ZB plus ZC. So you can put the value here. ZA plus ZC means 1 plus 2, that is 3 ohm. ZC is 2 ohm. This is also 2 ohm, and this is 1 plus again 2, that is 3 ohm. Okay, so this is the answer of Z11X 3 ohm, Z12X 2 ohm, Z21X 2 ohm, and Z22X is equal to 3 ohm. So these are the formulas according to T network, which we are going to study today. That is ZA plus ZC, Z12X is equal to ZC, Z21X is equal to ZC, and Z22 is equal to ZB plus ZC. This is the common equations or representation of a T network in terms of Z parameters. Okay. Now ZA, ZB, ZC, what are these? ZA, ZB, ZC. They काय? These are the impedances. These are called as what? Impedances. Whereas Z11X, Z12X, Z21X and Z22X, these are called as Z parameters. So there will be the difference between parameters and impedances. Remember. Okay. To classify this, ZA, ZB, ZC are called as impedances connected in the network, and Z11, Z12, Z21 and Z22, these are called as Z parameters of that network. Don't confuse between these two. Okay. Now next one. Similarly for Y network. Now similarly for network Y. So network Y I will draw once again. Only the values will change. The circuit is same, that is T network. So what are the values now here? 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 5 ohm. Now tell me the Z parameters are given by, the Z parameters are, so again you can mark ZA, ZB, ZC. This is ZA, this is ZB and this is ZC. Okay. So Z parameters are now Z11Y येणार आता, that is ZA plus ZB, sorry ZA plus ZC. किती येते? 10 plus 5, that is 15 ohm. Z12Y is equal to Z21Y, commonly I will write is equal to ZC, that is 5 ohm. Z22Y is equal to ZB plus ZC, ZB plus ZC, that is 20 plus 5, that is total 25 ohm. Okay. So we got now Z parameters of network X and Z parameters of a network Y. Okay. So finally, according to the series combination, what is the series combination? So when network X and Y connected, when network X and Y connected in series, then Z parameters of combination is given by, then Z parameters underline, Z parameters of combination, that is series combination, are given by, so you can write Z11 is equal to Z11X plus Z11Y. त्याचं व्हॅल्यू किती आले? Z11X 3 आले, Z11Y 15, so that is equal to 18 ohm. Next Z12 is equal to Z12X plus Z12Y. Z12X 2 आहे, Z12Y 5 आहे, that is 7 ohm. Similarly Z21 is equal to Z21X plus Z22Y, sorry हा बरोबर आहे, 21 येणार इथं फक्त, that is equal to Z21 किती आहे? 2 आहे आणि हा 5 आहे, that is 7 ohm. And lastly Z22 is equal to Z22X plus Z22Y is equal to हा आहे 3 आणि हा आहे 25, that is equal to 28 ohm. So these are the answers of Z parameters of combined series combination. Okay, any doubt in this? Very simple. This question will ask for 4 marks. Okay, so how to represent now? Anyone idea how they are connected in series? So the series combination I will draw now. If these are connected in series, how to represent? So this is X network 1 ohm, 1 ohm and 2 ohm. This is 5 ohm, 10 ohm and 20 ohm. So this is called as what? Series combination or series connection म्हणूया. Series connection of network X and Y. Okay. So any doubt in this? If no doubt in this problem, we will start the T representation. The remaining problems we will take at the last, at the end of this chapter. Miscellaneous problems in that we will take. Okay, the problems which asked in university question paper, that we are going to solve at the end of this chapter. Okay, chalo. Now we will start with the new topic, T and pi representation. In that we are going to start with T network. What T representation? T representation किंवा T network. Okay, so here a two-port network, a two-port network with any number of elements, a two-port network with any number of elements may be converted into a two-port into a two-port network with three elements. So what do you mean by this statement? A two-port network with any number of elements. म्हणजे किती काय असू दे element, 4 असू देत, 5 असू देत, 6 असू देत, however they are connected in series, in parallel. So a two-port network with any number of elements may be converted into a two-port network with three elements. That is into T network. That is into T network. So the T network consisting of three elements. Already you aware of this. Already you familiar with such type of network. Okay. So T network we can get from any two-port network. Okay, that is the best advantage of this representation. Now next point. Thus a two-port network can be represented a two-port network can be represented by an equivalent T network by an equivalent T network, that is three impedances. थ्री impedances कुठला असणार आहे? ZA, ZB and ZC. I will write in bracket. ZA, ZB and ZC are connected in the form of T network as shown in figure. As shown in figure. So I will draw the figure now here. So three impedances are there which are connected in the form of T. So as usual, this is 1 dash 2 dash. Okay. So this is called as ZA. This is ZB and this is ZC. So these three are called as what? Impedances. ZA, ZB and ZC. Three impedances connected in the form of T. हा नेचर बघा तुम्ही T सारखंच दिसतोय. Now as usual you can mark the all variable I1, V1, V2 and I2. Okay. So carefully read the statement once again. A two-port network with any number of elements may be converted into two-port network that is three elements connected in the form of T. Okay, so these three impedances are nothing but ZA, ZB, ZC which are connected in the form of T network as shown in figure. So if such type of network you are observing, then straightforward we can call it as T network. So to express the element of T network, or we can say to describe T network, Z parameters or ABCD parameters are used. So to describe the T network, Z parameters or ABCD parameters are used. So we can start with first of all ABCD parameters or Z parameters. So first simply we can start with Z parameters. So how to describe the T network with the help of Z parameters we will see. So here I will write the directly Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1, you know. Z11 is equal to V1 upon I1. V upon I लिहायचं आणि हे 1 directly you can write. But what is the condition? I2 equal to 0. So Z11 is nothing but addition of these two, that is ZA plus ZC. Next Z12 is equal to V1 upon I2. Condition is I1 equal to 0. This is nothing but only ZC. Next Z21 is equal to V2 upon I1. Condition is I2 equal to 0. So how to remember this? Z means V upon I, and this 2 here, this 1 here. Here also V upon I, this 1 here, this 2 here. Like this you can write. Okay. E is equal to what? Z21 is nothing but again ZC, and Z22 is equal to V upon I, this 2 and this 2, and condition is I1 equal to 0, that is addition of these two, that is ZB plus ZC. So this is the we can say, if you know, जर तुम्हाला हे माहित असेल ZA, ZB आणि ZC, त्याच्यावरनं तुम्हाला Z पॅरामीटर्स फाइंड आउट करतात. ऑलरेडी वी सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल ॲट द स्टार्ट ऑफ टुडेज लेक्चर. आजच्या स्टार्टिंगच्या लेक्चर मध्ये बघितलं आता. If we know the impedances ZA, ZB, ZC, we can find out the Z parameters easily. Okay, so these are the formula you have to remember. हे फॉर्म्युले लक्षात ठेवायला खूप सोपं आहे. Z11 is equal to addition of these two, Z22 is equal to addition of these two, Z12 and Z21 is nothing but this parallel arm, that is ZC. Okay, now we will move towards the how to represent the T network in terms of ABCD parameters, or we can say before moving to that part, जर तुम्हाला उलट दिलं Suppose I am giving one network. I am giving one network, and you have to convert that network into T network. जे इथं दिलेलं आहे. A two-port network with any number of elements may be converted into two-port network that is with three elements connected in the form of T network. म्हणजे कुठलंही नेटवर्क घ्या, त्याचं जर कन्व्हर्शन तुम्हाला टी नेटवर्क मध्ये करायचं असेल तर काय करावं लागतो? यू हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द झेड पॅरामीटर्स. त्यांचं झेड पॅरामीटर्स फाइंड आउट करायचं. आता झेड पॅरामीटर्स वरनं तुम्हाला झेड ए, झेड बी, झेड सी काढता येईल आणि त्याच्यावरनं तुम्हाला डायग्राम चेंज करता येईल. सो अगेन वी विल मूव्ह टुवर्ड्स दॅट पार्ट. So how to do this? So from above equations, जे आता इक्वेशन दिले, from above equations it is clear that आता तुम्हाला काय माहित आहे? झेड पॅरामीटर्स माहित आहेत, पण त्यांच्यापासून तुम्हाला काय घ्यायचं आहे? झेड ए, झेड बी, झेड सी कसं घेता येईल सांगा बघू ह्या इक्वेशन वरनं. हाऊ टू गेट? झेड पॅरामीटर्स माहित आहे, त्याच्यावरनं तुम्हाला झेड ए, झेड बी, झेड सी चे फॉर्म्युले तयार करायचे आहेत. एनीवन? झेड सी तर सोपायच नाही ना. झेड सी इज व्हेरी इझी. झेड सी इज इक्वल टू काय येणार? येस, Z12 किंवा Z21. So from the above equation ZC we can get directly. How to get ZA and ZB? Anyone? ZA चं सांगा इक्वेशन कसं येणार? नाही, आपण नाही येणार. ZA इज इक्वल टू Z11. हा करेक्ट. Z11 मायनस कुठला पण घ्या, Z12 घ्या किंवा Z21 घ्या. Similarly ZB is equal to Z22 minus Z12 किंवा Z21. So from above equation it is clear that ZA is equal to Z11 minus Z12 किंवा Z11 minus Z21. कुठलं पण एक इक्वेशन तुम्ही घेऊ शकता. नेक्स्ट ZB is equal to Z22 minus Z12 किंवा Z22 minus Z21 and ZC is equal to Z12 is equal to Z21. So if you know the values of Z parameters of particular network, you can easily convert that particular network into T network. म्हणजे काय करायचं? एक नेटवर्क दिलेलं असेल, त्याचा तुम्हाला काय फाइंड आउट करायचा? झेड पॅरामीटर्स फाइंड आउट करायचं बाय कन्व्हेन्शनल मेथड यूज करून झेड पॅरामीटर फाइंड आउट केलात. मग त्या झेड पॅरामीटर्स वरनं झेड, झेड बी, झेड सी कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा. मग झेड ए, झेड बी, झेड सी माहित असेल तर तुम्ही ड्रॉ करू शकता टी नेटवर्क. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड? Okay, so in this way a two-port network can be converted into a T network with the help of Z parameters. So this is the first conclusion, or we can say first part of T network, that is by using Z parameters. Now second we will move towards how to use the ABCD parameters to represent the T network. Okay, now ABCD parameters are given by A is equal to काय असणार आहे? V1 upon V2. So what will be the condition? I2 equal to 0. ABCD मध्ये कंडिशन काय असतो? एक I2 equal to 0 आणि दुसरा असतो V2 equal to 0. ओके, हे सगळं आता तुम्हाला पाठ असलं पाहिजे. एव्हरीथिंग यू मस्ट नो. सो A is equal to V1 is nothing but V1 म्हणजेच काय? ZA plus ZC into I1, कारण I2 तर 0 आहे. मी तुम्हाला डायग्राम दाखवतो so that you can get the answer. See here, V1 is equal to total current I1 into addition of these two, that is ZA plus ZC. That is V1 is represented here, I1 into ZA plus ZC. Similarly V2 I2 तर 0 असे, I2 0 असल्यामुळे ZB मधला व्होल्टेज किती असतो 0. So V2 is nothing but ZC into I1. ओके, आता मी इथं डायग्राम मध्ये पण तुम्हाला मेन्शन करून दाखवतो. So here I1 is flowing in case of I2 0. जर I2 जर 0 असेल तर ह्यात करंट कुठला फ्लो होणार आहे I1. So I1 into ZC केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला V2 मिळेल. ओके, so from this also you can get the answer of A. So ZA plus ZC into I1 is divided by ZC into I1. So I1 will get cancelled. So A is equal to what? ZA plus ZC divided by ZC. So this is the first. Next one, we can say C. C is equal to काय येणार equation? That is I1 upon V2. Condition is same, I2 equal to 0. So I1 आणि V2 मधलं रिलेशन काय असणार आहे? That you can say V2 is equal to ZC into I1 आहे. मग I1 upon V2 केलं तर 1 upon ZC येणार. Have you understood? So this will be the 1 upon ZC. C is equal to, C actually काय असतो? Admittance. So 1 upon ZC is also admittance. Have you understood? Now next one, B is equal to काय असणार आहे? What is the formula for B? That is minus येणार V1 upon I2. Condition is what? V2 equal to 0 येणार. So when V2 means what? When the second port is shorted. So I will give the directly answer. You can try as a homework. So B is equal to ZA into ZB plus ZB into ZC plus ZC into ZA divided by ZC. So B is equal to what? ZA into ZB plus ZB into ZC plus ZC into ZA divided by ZC, and D is equal to what is the formula for D? That is current gain minus I1 divided by I2. Condition is V2 equal to 0. So D is equal to what you are getting? ZB plus ZC divided by ZC. Okay, so if ZA, ZB, ZC are known, then from that you can easily calculate the transmission parameters, that is A, B, C, D. You can easily calculate. Reverse जर तुम्हाला ABCD पॅरामीटर्स माहित असतील तर तुम्ही T नेटवर्क मध्ये कन्वर्ट करू शकता. The given network, if you want to convert into T network, you have two options. Either you can use the Z parameters or ABCD parameters. जर ABCD parameters दिलेलं असेल तर हे इक्वेशन यूज करायचे, जर Z पॅरामीटर्स दिले असेल तर हे इक्वेशन यूज करायचे. आता ABCD वरनं तुम्हाला ZA, ZB, ZC कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल? Now from above equations we have to find out now reverse. So how to find out ZA, ZB and ZC in terms of A parameters, B parameters, C parameter and D parameter. A, B, C, D तुम्हाला माहिती आहेत, त्याच्यावरनं ZA, ZB, ZC कसं काढता येईल? Who will tell? I will show here the once again. Carefully observe the equations A, C, B and D. C वर C चं काय येतं बघा, C is equal to 1 upon ZC आहे. मग ZC चा आन्सर काय येणार? ZC चं इक्वेशन डायरेक्टली येतो ना त्याच्यावरनं 1 upon capital C. So 1 upon capital C is the answer of ZC. So ZC is equal to 1 upon C. What about ZA and ZB? So I will give, you can cross check, A minus 1 upon C. ZB is equal to D minus 1 upon C. तुम्ही काय करा, A मधून A काय असणार आहे? A is nothing but ZA plus ZC divided by ZC. तुम्हाला दाखवतो इथं मी. Just remember this formula. So how this came, I will show it. ZA is equal to A minus 1 divided by C, किंवा आपण उलट करूया, A minus 1 डिवायडेड बाय C. ZA येते का बघायचं. A म्हणजे काय, ZA plus ZC divided by ZC divided by this C. C means what, 1 upon ZC. So this ZC and this ZC will get cancelled. So here minus 1 still it is there. A म्हणजे हा पार्ट आणि हा minus 1 आहे. C means 1 upon ZC. So ZC cannot cancel, no. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करावं लागेल आपल्याला. Don't cancel here. So ZA plus ZC ह्यांचं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेतल्यावर मायनस ZC डिवायडेड बाय ZC येणार, परत डिवायडेड बाय 1 अपॉन ZC येणार. मग हे दोन ZC कॅन्सल होणार. ओके, आता ZA प्लस ZC मायनस ZC म्हणजे इथलं ZC कॅन्सल होणार. सो व्हॉट इज रिमेनिंग, ZA. सो ZA इज इक्वल टू A minus 1 divided by C. Similarly D minus 1 upon C करूया. So D means what, ZB plus ZC divided by ZC minus 1 divided by 1 upon ZC. So take the cross multiplication of this. ZB plus ZC minus ZC divided by ZC divided by this 1 upon ZC as it is. This ZC will get cancelled, plus ZC minus ZC will get cancelled, remaining is ZB. Okay, so in this way we will get, if you know the ABCD parameters of particular two-port network, from that you can convert that particular network in the form of T network with the help of these formulas. Have you understood? So this is called as what, T representation of the two-port network. So anyone, any type of doubt, you have to what you have to do is this bit is very important. Number of times they are asking the theory question as well as they are asking the problems. So you have to remember the formulas. Z11 is equal to ZA plus ZC. This is easy to remember. हे इक्वेशन लक्षात ठेवलं की तुम्हाला रिव्हर्स करता येईल. सो रिव्हर्स is like this, where it is here. So from Z parameters you can get the values of three impedances, ZA, ZB and ZC. After that the T network is also represented with the help of ABCD parameters like this. So A is equal to ZA plus ZC divided by ZC. So what is the common here? इथं common काय लक्षात येईल तुम्हाला? Everywhere denominator मध्ये ZC आहे. Here it is ZC, here it is ZC. In B also denominator मध्ये ZC आहे आणि D मध्ये पण ZC आहे. Okay, so A is equal to addition of ZA plus ZC, C is equal to 1, B is equal to sum of product of two impedances ZA plus ZC, ZA into ZB plus ZB into ZC plus ZC into ZA, आणि D is equal to ZB plus ZC. हे दोन फक्त तुम्हाला opposite आहेत. Here ZA plus ZC is there in the numerator, and in the D, in the numerator ZB plus ZC is there. So logical way you can keep in a mind. Okay, we'll take one example, then we'll stop. So question number 1, the Z parameters of two-port network are, the Z parameters of two-port network are Z11 is equal to 10 ohm, Z12 is equal to Z21 is equal to 5 ohm, Z22 is equal to 15 ohm. Okay, so these are the input. So what is the question here? Find equivalent T network and ABCD parameters. Find equivalent T network and ABCD parameters. So how we'll start? How you can start now? What are the given things? The Z parameters are given. So you can take as an input. Okay. So these are the Z parameters. You can write given things. Z parameters are, while solving, you can once again write the input. Z11 is equal to 10 ohm. Z12 is equal to Z21 is equal to 5 ohm. And Z22 is equal to 15 ohm. Okay. हे परत एकदा लिहून काढा. After that, what you have to write? What you have to find out? इक्विव्हॅलंट टी नेटवर्क. आता इक्विव्हॅलंट टी नेटवर्क साठी तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल? झेड झेडबी झेडसी चं व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करावं लागेल. ओके. सो नाव ZA is equal to, what is the formula for ZA? If you know the Z parameters, ZA is equal to Z11 minus Z12. ZB is equal to Z22 minus Z12 आणि ZC is equal to Z12 किंवा Z21. So what are the answer? Z11 10 आहे, 10 मधून 5 गेला, 5 ओहम. Z22 is 15, 15 मधून 5 गेला, that is 10 ohm, and this is directly 5 ohm. So now you got ZA, ZB, ZC, that is nothing but 3 impedances of the T network. So you can draw the T network now. Impedances draw करा किंवा resistances draw करा, doesn't matter. So this is what ZA, ZB and ZC. So write the values. ZA किती आले? 5 ohm. ZB किती आले? 10 ohm. And ZC is equal to 5 ohm. So you can below mention that T network. Okay. So up to now, if you solve, you will get 2 marks. And remaining 2 mark is for calculating ABCD parameters. So this will be the first point. So second point will be ABCD parameters. So how to find out ABCD parameters? ABCD parameters कसं find out करणार? ZA, ZB, ZC चं व्हॅल्यू माहित आहे. So directly use the equations. A is equal to काय असणार आहे? ZA plus ZC divided by ZC. So what is the value of ZA? 5. ZC is also 5 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. मग A चे युनिट काय असते? Unit is voltage gain, no unit. Okay. So next B is equal to, B म्हणजे काय? Sum of product ZA into ZB plus, sorry, okay. B is equal to ZA into ZB plus ZB into ZC plus ZC into ZA divided by ZC येणार. So put the values. किती येणार बघा? ZA किती आहे? 5 into 10 plus 10 into 5 plus ZC किती आहे? 5 आणि ZA पण 5 आहे. 5 into 5. So divided by ZC is 5. So calculate and tell me. 50, 50, 100, 125 भागिले 5 म्हणजेच 25 येणार ना. So this will be the 25 ohm येणार, because B is what? B म्हणजे impedance असतो. मग impedance युनिट काय असतो? ओहम. Okay. First is unitless, that is 2. B is equal to 25 ohm. Now next one, how to find out C? C चे equation काय? 1 upon ZC. So 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5 means 0.2. C म्हणजे काय असतो? Admittance. So admittance युनिट mho. And D is equal to काय असतो? Formula. What is D? That is ZB plus ZC divided by ZC. Everywhere ZC is in the denominator. ZB चा आन्सर किती आला आहे? ZB 10, ZC is 5 plus 5, so 15 by 5, that is 3. So what is the unit? No unit, कारण हा current gain असतो. D is current gain असतो, so no unit, 3. So finally you can write A is equal to 2, B is equal to 25 ohm, C is equal to 0.2 mho, and D is equal to 3. So these are called as ABCD parameters. So finally you can mention ABCD parameters. So this question was asked for 4 marks in the university question paper. Very simple. जर फॉर्म्युले लक्षात असेल तर तुम्हाला डायरेक्टली आन्सर मिळेल. ओके. सो एनी डाउट इन दिस? या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये काय अडचण? ओके. So we'll stop today.